Tired of your amazing photos looking like a blurry mess on Twitter? In this quick guide, we'll unlock the secrets to uploading high-quality photos that grab attention and boost your engagement in under 90 seconds. First, resolution is key. Aim for a resolution of at least 1200 by 675 pixels for optimal display on Twitter. Next, let's tackle file size. Twitter recommends keeping your image files under 5 megabytes. A little bit of editing can go a long way. Adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your photos pop. Don't forget about composition. Use the rule of thirds to create visually appealing and balanced photos. Now, let's upload. When posting on Twitter, select your optimized photo, add a compelling caption, and relevant hashtags. See the difference? By following these simple tips, your photos will stand out in the fast-paced Twitter feed. So go ahead, elevate your Twitter game with stunning visuals. And don't forget to subscribe for more social media tips.